Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Grindr app not working error. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution is to check whether the app needs an update or not. Similarly, the second solution is to clear the cache of Grindr app. You can do that by clicking on the Settings application. Scroll down and go to Apps option. Click on Manage Apps option. Now in the search bar, type in Grindr. Here, click on Storage option. Here you can see Clear Data option with eraser icon. Click on it. Now tap on Clear Cache option. And if you're sure, click on the OK option. Similarly, the third option is to go to Play Store. Now in the search bar, type in Grindr. Tap on the Grindr app. Then click on Uninstall option. Now you'll have to reinstall the app. And those are the solutions to fix Grindr app not working error. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.